Hello, and welcome back to my channel, where we uncover the hidden secrets of currency and its fascinating features. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest content. Today, we're diving deep into the intricate world of the 50 euro note from the 2017 Europa series. This series, named after the mythological figure Europa, represents a significant leap in banknote technology and security, designed to combat counterfeiting and maintain public confidence in the euro. Let's start with a bit of background on currency security. The battle against counterfeiting is as old as money itself. Throughout history, as technology evolved, so did the methods of counterfeiting, prompting a continuous evolution of security features in currency. The 50 euro note is a prime example of this evolution, incorporating some of the most advanced security features in the world. One of the first things you'll notice about the 50 euro note is its watermark. When held up to the light, a faint image of Europa, along with a window and the value numeral, becomes visible. This watermark is a masterpiece of security design created during the paper manufacturing process. It's a highly effective anti-counterfeiting measure, as replicating it accurately is extremely challenging. Now, let's examine the hologram. As you tilt the note, the hologram changes between the value numeral and a portrait of Europa. This is made possible through state-of-the-art light modulating technology, which is exceptionally difficult for counterfeiters to imitate. The hologram is not just a security feature, it's a work of art, showcasing the blend of technology and design. Another feature is the emerald number. Watch how it appears green and then changes to deep blue when tilted. The light effects moving up and down inside the number are due to a special ink used only by the European Central Bank. This unique feature is not just visually appealing, it's a sophisticated security element that adds to the note's protection. Feel the note. The raised printing technique gives it a unique texture. This is especially noticeable in the main image, the lettering, and the value numerals. The raised print not only helps visually impaired people identify the note, but also adds another layer of security. This tactile feature is an essential aspect of the note's design, making it both functional and secure. Next, consider the security thread and microprint. The security thread is embedded in the paper and appears as a dark stripe when held against the light. The microprint involves tiny letters that are visible only under magnification. These features may be less noticeable, but are equally important in preventing counterfeiting. Under UV light, the note reveals another layer of security. Specific fibers in the paper emit a luminescent glow, displaying unseen patterns and colors in normal light. This feature is particularly difficult for counterfeiters to mimic accurately and is an example of how banknotes use advanced materials for security purposes. Infrared features provide yet another level of security. When viewed under an infrared scanner, specific parts of the note display distinct patterns and colors, offering an additional method of authentication. This sophisticated technology is almost impossible to forge and represents the cutting edge of banknote security. The security features of the 50 euro note demonstrate the extraordinary efforts of the European Central Bank to stay ahead of counterfeiters. Each element, from the watermark to the infrared features, plays a crucial role in ensuring the integrity of the currency. This is not just about preventing illegal activity, it's about maintaining public confidence in the currency, an essential aspect of a healthy economy. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the 50 euro note security features, please give this video a thumbs up and share it with others who might be interested. Your comments and engagement are always appreciated. Don't forget to subscribe for more fascinating explorations into the world of currency. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.